Hello everyone, I am Travis and this is my channel, TravisGetsCreative. Today I want to share a couple of items that I recently got in the mail. I paid for all of these myself. Links will be available at the end of the video in QR code format and as text in the description. Look at this adorable case that I picked up. I wanted a new storage case and I thought this one would be perfect, especially since it wasn't covered in flowers or plants. If that's more to your style, then I'm sure you won't have any trouble finding those items, but I wanted something different. It comes with 60 plastic jars to store drills, and it also came with some extras. To be honest, I don't think I'll use most of the extras, but they were included with the price. The plastic pins will join a few others that I have stashed away. The wax, drill boats, and the straightener will probably get the same treatment. I do like the idea of the funnel that came with it, but I'll have to see how it holds up before I make any final decisions about it. I have a few diamond paintings on order, so I wanted a second option for storage that was available on hand, and this will be perfect. The unbagging portion is a diamond painting that I ordered off of Amazon. It was affordable and had good reviews, so I decided to give it a shot. I'm probably going to complete this for my dad. I think he'll really like the finished product, and it gives me something to work on for however long it takes me. The symbols are really clear and easy to read. I tried to show you, but I had some focusing issues, so it may not appear as clear to you as it does to me in person. I was also impressed to find that the drills looked really good and clean. I didn't see any debris in the packages. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to be among the first to know when I upload new content, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye!